Guys, so I finally got my package. This is the packaging, you guys. I got my package from Switch Beauty. I ordered on Friday online. It was very fast. I got the assistance I needed. I struggled to send the money and everything, but at last I could with the assistance of, I hope I'm pronouncing it well, but Rabia. Thank you so much. Let's open. Ah! I don't want to make a mess, but anyway, whatever. Ooh. Remember today's Tuesday in the Express. It was I thought it would be here in like. Look at these! Look at these! I'm happy, you guys. I'm happy. Oh my word! Come on! Oh my god! Unicorn swords. Look at the packaging. I must say the packaging Slave for Days palette. I must say I'm not disappointed at all. I saw the reviews yesterday morning and yesterday evening and today morning, and I was so disappointed that I ain't gonna get my product. But so hey guys, we are just slay. I'm happy. Okay, let's start with the unicorn. Let's just start with the bombarding ones. Oh my god. First thing first, the packaging is super bomb. They tried by all means that nothing should break. Ooh. What is this, Swish Beauty? What is this? Anywho, I'm happy. I'll forgive you. 35 intensely pigmented, buttery, smooth. Okay, let's just find how we open this. Oh, we open this. I mean, I'm feeling no. How do you open this? It's broken.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, this is how they look. Whew, these are a lot of colors. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I should be happy or super pigmented. But just a slight touch and this is I don't know. With such packaging, the colors are bomb. I don't know what I had expected. I don't know. It looks weird. But anyway, I'm still gonna love it. We're done with the first one. We're now going to the second one. This one is the Slave for Days matte. Now, hi babe, I'm cruelty free. I'm loving everything with the Swish Beauties. I'm loving everything. Guys, I know I should be reading these, but I'm bad. I want to open and I want to use. I'm hoping that I get invited to a certain place. Okay, this one says, Stay for Days matte. Don't forget to show us your looks, hauls, swatches, reviews using the Switch UM. I am definitely going to. Oh, these are warm tones. These are hella cute. Oh my god. These colors are super pigmented, guys. They are. I'm still gonna swatch them on black skin, on this type of skin. Well, do I have white frames here?
Good to know.
Good to know, innit? Shoot, it's only Indian. But anyway, I'm still gonna swatch it on her. And I know her dad hates it when she wears makeup, so I don't know how we to do that. You can wear makeup in my house and leave. I wanted to swatch it on multiple skins. This one is Slave for Days. This one is not the matte edition. Come on, kill me. Kill me. This one I know it's the one that apparently everyone was saying is a dupe for Morphe 35. This one has to be the one. Look at this, Tony. Look at these. Zoom in to them. Oh my god. I hear this heavy scent, but it's from the look, yeah. Oh my god. Look. Look at these. Like I'm not for real. Like for real. I spent a lot of money on you. So you gonna work. You gonna work. Oh my god. I must say, Switch Beauty, thank you very much for all of these adorable gifts. I'll call them gifts because I feel as if I've paid less for more in a way, which I'm grateful of. I'm not saying jack up your prices. And thank you to Black Friday. Thank you. Thank you very much, Switch Beauty. So right now, let me go take a bath and swatch all these on my face. Hopefully for the next few days I'll be swatching all these on my hands and on my face. Thank you. Bye.